Okay, going to do a quick breakdown of this Swiffer video ad. I'm going to let it play, and then I'm going to insert little comments so you can see what they do to make this ad effective. All right, start off with, they got right here what you would see on TikTok. So it's playing off. I think this is directed towards young people. That's what you might see on TikTok, the text over the screen.
So I didn't think I needed Swiffer.
Already connecting with you. Okay, I don't need a Swiffer, but I'm going to watch this ad.
Until I saw how easily it picked up my hair.
She mentions how easy it picks up her hair. Easy, easy, easy. That's a big word to use in anything you're selling to make life easier.
Every time I dried it. It only takes a minute.
Only takes a minute. It needs to be easy and fast.
Look at that. The heavy-duty cloths are extra thick.
If you have a pet, this is the product for you. That's what this part's saying.
Amazing trap and lock.
Before and after, you see it cleaning. So it's showing the dirty floor, then the clean floor.
Even for his hair. Wow.
Wow, the little emojis back there, just a little bit. Wow, fire, young people. Target.
Wow. And for dust.
All right, I want you to notice something else coming up here. How everything looks clean. Of course, they've got little dust particles so they can show the before after cleaning. But look how happy she is. Look how clean her place is. It makes it look like cleaning is the most fantastic, almost orgasmic thing a human being can do.
Dust? I love my heavy-duty duster. The fluffy fibers trap dust on contact. Up high and all around without having to lift a thing.
See how easy everything looks? Cleaning, real cleaning in the real world does not look like this. Your hair's a mess. You've got dirt and grime all over your shirt. This woman looks like she walked off a runway. Everything's clean. Everything's easy. That's the message they want to send. So you will buy this Swiffer and your life can be just like this. Trust me, folks, you do not need a Swiffer. I'm not hating on Swiffer, but a 99-cent duster at the Dollar General will do the same thing.